Favorite, a word that carries a lot of emotion and sentiment. It is often used to describe something or someone that is extremely liked or cherished. In a sentence, a favorite can be something that is highly recommended or desired. She is my ultimate favorite restaurant in town. The term favorite often carries the idea of choice or first preference. This is because we often choose what we like the most, whether it be food, people, places, or anything else. So when we say someone is our favorite, it means they are the one we choose above all else. This is a strong emotion and can be seen as a kind of love, especially when it is deep and unwavering. In everyday life, we use the word favorite in various contexts. When we want to express our preference for something over another, we often say, "I have a favorite." This is followed by the object of our preference and a description of why we like it so much. For example, I have a favorite restaurant in town because the food is delicious and the atmosphere is warm and welcoming. In conclusion, favorite is a powerful word that can evoke strong emotions and convey our deepest likes and dislikes. It is often used to describe something or someone that is highly valued and cherished.